Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been MIA, well at least I feel like I've been MIA, and I've just been working so much lately and I'm just so tired all the time. Anywho, I'm back, and for today's video I want to do like a super chill like at home spa day type video because I really want to focus on skincare. I don't want to wear makeup on days that I don't have to wear makeup because I feel like I've been wearing so much makeup and I haven't done like a detoxifying type mask and my skin is crying, guys. Like I have a breakout, I have a pimple growing right here, and I have a pimple growing around here, and I haven't like exfoliated in so long, and I haven't done like an intense face mask in so long. Like I've been doing face masks but more for like hydration and for brightening, but I haven't done anything to like really clean out my skin. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Boiled up some water so I can like open up my pores in a big pot, and then I'm gonna do the Aztec clay mask, which I've done before, and that shit is intense. I'm just gonna chill today. We're just gonna talk, we're gonna do some masking. It's gonna be great. When I used to do this constantly, like I would do it like every other day or like 3 times a week maybe, and I would literally like put the towel over my head just to make sure that all of the steam like really gets into my pores. The water isn't as hot as what it was when I first boiled it, so I think I'm just gonna like do it like that. I'm gonna like put the towel over it, and I like to stay under the water for like, not under the water but like over the water for like 5 minutes, or at least until I feel like my pores are open. So I'm just gonna pick up my hair. It isn't as hot as when I first boiled it. Oh my god, I inhaled some of the freaking steam. I need a break. It's so hot in there, guys. I'm already like sweating. I want to know, how do you know when your pores are open? Like how long do I have to be in here for? I never researched this type of stuff. I just kind of go for it. My skin issue is just like, I don't necessarily get pimples. I have more texture than I do get pimples. But when I got a facial once, and the lady told me like my pimples, I get them underneath my skin, and those are literally the worst because I try to pop them but they don't want to like completely come out. And it's just like, I have one here that I've been trying to pop, like get rid of all the pus for like I don't know how long, and it doesn't want to go away. It's so annoying. I can't breathe. I feel like all my boogers melted. Alright, clay mask. This, I actually got it on Amazon. You can mix it with water, but it's a lot better to do with apple cider vinegar. I just feel like it's more intense, so it's gonna take out more. You can basically make like your own mix with it. Sometimes I'll mix it in with like, I'll put apple cider vinegar and honey, and like that it could be like more soothing than it would be like intense, because this thing is so intense, especially when you like overdo it and you put too much, which is something that I do all the time. So I'll get like about this much of the powder. It's kind of like an experiment because it's gonna start to sizzle up, and put a little bit more. And then I'll pour some apple cider vinegar, and they say you're supposed to use the organic one, like this one, because it's better for your skin. I don't know. That's just what I read on the internet. So you put it in, like as you can see, like I'm literally almost done with this. One of the reasons why like I haven't really been like uploading that much is because I've just been really stuck on what to film. I feel like I do way too many wear tests / reviews type videos, and I feel like people are just tired of seeing that. So if you guys can like give me some video ideas, that'd be great, because just let me know like what you guys want to see, and then I'll do that for you, because like that I don't have to be like missing so much, so like miss uploading so much, because I haven't really been uploading that much. So yeah, so you can basically do like a different type of consistency, whatever you want. This is like super liquidy. I'm gonna add a little bit of more powder. This can literally last you, like I bought this powder last year and I still have a lot, but I've used up quite a few. Like I'm like halfway done. So I used to do this mask a lot. It's very intense. I kind of like to focus it first like on this area, because that's where I feel is the worst. I have a mask from Japan that my cousin brought me because he went to Japan, and he got us all masks. And I have no idea what it does because everything is in Japanese and I don't know how to read Japanese. And they say like this is good to like put in your armpits because deodorant carries like a lot of like really bad ingredients for you. So it's good to like detoxify your armpits as well. And I used to do it on my armpits too. It was pretty cool. I would just kind of like lay there with my arms up. I put a lot, so this shit's gonna hurt, but I'll just get my talking over with now because at one point I know I won't be able to because the shit's literally gonna dry and I won't be able to do anything. Guys, I'm almost at 200. Isn't that wild? I think that's wild. I know it's like obviously not like a lot, but to me that's a lot because I genuinely didn't think that I would ever reach 200 subscribers. Let me close my sister's door. If you guys can let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see, let me know down below because I get stuck on ideas and I feel like everyone's just kind of like tired of me doing so many review and wear test videos because that's basically the only thing I do. And also like I'm starting to build up like my makeup kits to actually start like freelancing and stuff, and the only brushes that I've ever really used is the Coastal Scent brush sets. Like if you guys are watching my videos, you guys know those are the only brushes I use. I have like one Real Technique brush, like a few Wet n Wild brushes, and one Morphe brush. Let me go on the Morphe website. I originally was gonna buy the Jaclyn Hill favorite brushes from Morphe, and they were like they were like 100 something and the original price was 200 something. So I'm like, I think I can do that brush set, but let me hold off on it and like do a little bit more research. And I was holding off on it, and then I noticed that they're not selling her brush set anymore, and I was super upset. Brush sets that are like cheap, let me know so I can check it out. I was gonna try ColourPop, but I don't know how I feel. My cousin says they're really good, but I don't know how I would feel about them. What I should be doing instead, because I really wanna stop filming with my phone so much because I run out of memory so fast and it bothers me so much. So I really want to start looking into cameras. Like what's a good camera to film with? Because I have no idea where to even start. I want something, obviously, this shit is drying, guys, so I can't like make too many facial expressions. But I want something that has like a screen like that I can make sure that everything's in focus because I don't have like a viewfinder or anything. It's not like I have space for it anyway. So something that has a screen so I can like see myself and make sure everything's okay. Something that's good quality but yet like on the more affordable side. I have like a lot of questions that I would appreciate if you guys help me and like comment down below to let me know so I can have like some options open. So that being said, camera for filming, what else was I looking for? Video suggestions, whatever it is you guys want to see, and a really good brush set because I need to start looking into those things. Surprisingly, this isn't like as irritating as what it usually is, but it's like drying and I can't make any facial expressions. This is the only facial expression I can make. Usually I'm just kind of like, and then my eyes water too because of how uncomfortable it is, but I think it's because I put like a really good thin layer and it had like a really nice consistency. When I do it, sometimes the consistency comes out really thick, and then that's when I'm kind of like about it. But it's 20 minutes, so I'm gonna take this off. As you can see, like it's starting to crack and it's like irritating here, like not irritating, but it's like uncomfortable in this area, and I obviously can't make any facial expressions. I know Nazni Kabari did a video with her mans using this mask, and she smiled, and I'm just like, bitch, how? Like I'm just like, this is the most I can. That's the most that's the most I can smile. Like that's me trying, guys. This is me trying to smile, and I can't. So I'm just gonna wash this off, and then I'll be right back. If you take off this mask, like your face is gonna be red. Like all here, it looks irritated, but it's normal. It's gonna go away after like, usually for me, it lasts for like 10-15 minutes, and then that's when like the redness starts to go down. But it's normal for your face to look like really red after you do this mask. It's not that it's irritated, it's just, that's just what happens when you take the mask off. I was gonna try to pop some pimples, aka this one, which is the pimple under my skin, but I don't want to play with it too much because you shouldn't play with your pimples, guys. Okay, I should not have done that. It's just like popping pimples, it becomes addicting. I have a bunch of blackheads around my nose, so that's what I was trying to do. It's still daytime. I'm just gonna put on like my daytime type of skincare stuff. So for moisturizer, I use the Peter Thomas Roth Hungarian Thermal Moisturizer, and I love this. I wouldn't recommend this for dry skin. I had a cold front like a few weeks ago, and I started getting like really dry around this area, and that moisturizer did not help whatsoever. There's this face mask, like this overnight face mask from Boscia. It's the pink bottle. Oh my god, like I put that on and my skin, like all the areas that were dry, it wasn't dry anymore because it was like a more like hydrating type of mask, and it helped me a lot. So I put this on. I'm so red. And then for eye cream, I'm gonna do the Uli Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. Honestly, I feel like this doesn't do anything. This has not done anything for my under eyes. Like I haven't noticed any difference. I'm just trying to use it up though because it's a little sample. But my favorite eye cream so far is the ginseng eye cream from Origins. I really like it because it's super hydrating. It helps a lot. Like I feel like I have more dark circles, so if it's good for dark circles, and it's good for depuffing. So if your under eyes are like a little bit more on the puffy side, that one's really good too. The SPF that I sampled myself is the Shiseido SPF, and it's SPF 50, I think. And I'll just put that like all over the skin too. I don't want to put any tinted moisturizers on today, but I'm going to show you the one that I do use whenever I do use a tinted moisturizer. So I normally would use the Origins Ginseng Moisturizer. This has SPF 40. I really like this one. I feel like it's like a really good like tinted type moisturizer. It has both a chemical and a physical SPF in it. So it's not, so basically my manager explained it to me, but I don't remember much. The physical SPF, what it does is that's what prevents your skin from getting red, like physically. And then the chemical SPF, I don't remember what a chemical SPF is, but I know that the physical prevents your skin from getting red. And then I remember I was getting a facial once, and the girl told me that if it doesn't have zinc or titanium, then there really is no point in the SPF because it's not going to do anything. So this one has 3.3% titanium dioxide and 3% zinc oxide. So it has both the ingredients that she said that you should be looking for in an SPF, and this one has it. I know that this is a tinted moisturizer, and because it has like that physical SPF, the physical SPF is what gives your skin like that thick white tint. So you know how sunblock, when you go out and you put sunblock on, it looks really white. Oh my god, where's my voice going? It looks really white. That's the physical SPF. I started using this one yesterday. This is the Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer. This has SPF 30. This has more coverage than the one from Origins. I didn't read the ingredients. This has none. It doesn't have neither the zinc or the titanium in it. It's good for sensitive skin. I'm not sure if this one is, but I think that Origins as a brand in general, it's good for sensitive skin. And this also leaves your skin with a natural luminous finish. This only comes in one tone, but when you like put it on your skin, it like when you squeeze out the bottle, it kind of has like a grayish tone to it, whereas this one comes in different tones. So I grabbed the shade medium, and it worked well for me. So far I've just been bouncing between these two. I didn't even say this from First Aid Beauty. I liked it, so I recommend that one as well. But yeah, so that's it for today's video. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Like, it was super chill. I feel like I didn't talk much, but I didn't want to like make the video too long. So yeah, so if you guys want to see more skincare videos, let me know. just in general, just let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see down below so I can have more ideas and I can do that for you guys. I'm almost at 200 subscribers, which is not a lot. It's not a lot, but it's a lot to me because that's 200 people. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget that I do upload on my channel every Tuesday and Thursday, so if you don't want to miss out on a video from me, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and join the family. And don't forget to let me know, please let me know what kind of videos you guys want to watch. Give me more video ideas. It doesn't have to be beauty related, it can be cooking, and I don't even cook. Any camera suggestions, because I really want to keep my options open and start looking into cameras. And then let me know on really good affordable brush sets. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram if you guys want. I'm gonna link that down in the description box. So yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video.